In this video, we'll show you how to fix the EFI Network Timeout error when installing a Windows VM in VMware Workstation. You might encounter this issue because the VM is configured to install in UEFI mode. The first solution is change boot mode from UEFI to BIOS. As you can see, the issue is resolved, and you can proceed to install Windows normally. Alternative solution to keep UEFI boot mode. If you still need UEFI boot mode, for example, to install a Windows 11 VM with secure boot, instead of turning on the VM as usual, select Power On to Firmware from the Power On options. In the Boot Manager, move the highlight to Virtual SATA CD-ROM drive and press Enter. Press any key when prompted to continue. Note, this message only displays for 3 seconds, so ensure you don't leave the VMware console after powering on the virtual machine. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.